Reese. Reese. Did the Easter Bunny come? She's playing with a medicine bottle and paper. And she has lots of new toys. Can you do your dance? Hey Reese, can you do your dance for us? Can you do your dance? Do your dance. Shuffle your feet. Stomp your feet. Go real fast. She's watching her favorite cartoon characters. Here's the remains of her Easter basket. Back to Medicine Girl. Are you dancing for us? Where's your Reese? Reese, where's your baby? Where's baby? Yeah, get baby. She can't put the medicine bottles down. Up. You gonna stroller everybody around? Okay, they're in. They're in. There you go. Pick up baby. No, more concerned about the medicine. Baby, she just knocked baby out. Oh, good girl. Good girl. Put her in the stroller. Is everybody in? Okay, your medicine back. Okay, say bye. Say bye-bye. Bye. You gonna wave? You gonna wave? Say bye. Bye-bye. Hi. Where are you going? Bye-bye.